Hi, my name's Steve from Max Power. Today we've got a CBR1000 08 model. It's got a Racetune exhaust system on it. We've fitted a power commander USB 3. We've fitted a BMC air filter. I've put the O2 eliminator in, and the air ducts have restrictor flaps. We've disconnected those so they're always open. So now I'm going to map the power commander on the dyno with the Tuning Link software, and then we'll do some power runs. Okay, I just finished mapping the power commander, so now I'll do some power runs, and I can compare it to a bike that I did earlier, which was the same bike. I ran it in on the dyno stock, and I did do exactly the same as this, but we did put a full Yoshi system on it instead of the Racetune pipe. So I'll do some runs on this, see what it puts out, and then I'll compare it with those graphs as well, because this bike was ran in on the street, so it'll be interesting. Okay, so I did the power runs, and we got 168 horsepower. That fuel's where I like it, and we got 112 Nm of torque. So this bike was running on the street, and the gear I spoke about we put on, and that's what we got. So I've got a bike here that I ran in on the dyno, and that was stock, and that put out 169 horsepower and 110 Nm of torque. And then that same bike, I did the same what we did to this bike, but we put a full Yoshi 4-inch-1 system on it, and we got 180 horsepower and 118 Nm of torque, so a bit of a difference there.